Hey all my people! So my video for class didn't record today, which is super fun. So I'm going to do a really quick explanation of the present continuous in the notes for Wednesday. Okay, in the notes for Wednesday and the present continuous. So here we go. It'll be super fast. All right. So the first thing I want you to know about the present continuous is that it completely it translates in Spanish. Okay, so let's do estoy hablando, right? So estoy is I am, and hablando. So anytime you see this, the ando, yendo, or endo on the end of a verb, in English that's going to translate to ing. So I am talking. Okay? I am talking. So that's what the present continuous is. So, the first thing you do is you put your to be verb, to be plus verb ing. So, I am speaking. You are speaking. He, she, it. The to be verb is. So then speak, and then ing. Okay, and then you, y'all, and they is all are speaking. So those are all the same. Okay. We are speaking. You plural are speaking. They are speaking. Okay. So the negative is to be plus not plus verb ing. Okay? So I am not speaking. So you put the not after the to be verb. It goes in between the two verbs and from the positive. So you are not speaking. He is not speaking. And the contraction, if you want to use it, isn't speaking. Okay, so you can say is not speaking or isn't speaking. And then for y'all and we and they, it would be are not speaking. And the contraction is aren't speaking. Okay? For questions, the formula is going to be the to be verb. Well, we'll do this. To be plus the subject or the person plus the verb, the ing verb. Okay? So, let's see. If she is our subject, it will be is she speaking? Okay, if you are the subject, it would be are you speaking? Okay, so, and there's always, of course, like the optional question word, so you could put where is she speaking? Why are you speaking? Okay, you can put the question word in front, but the to be verb that you use depends on the person that's talking. Okay, so real quickly, I want you to do positive negative question in present continuous with I walk to school or she drives to work. Okay, actually do both. So pause the video. All right, pause the video and do these activities. So I am walking to school. Okay, she is driving to work. There's no E on drive. We'll talk about spelling down here in just a minute, okay? So you do the negative and the question now. Okay, pause your video and do the negative and the question. Okay, so the negative would be, I am not walking to school. The question would be, so we can have two possible questions here. We could say, am I walking to school? Or are you walking to school? Okay. The negative for this one, she is not or she isn't. Driving to work. The question would be, is she driving to work? Okay? Alright, so that's positive, negative question for present continuous. We use present continuous for talking about what we're doing right now. So I am talking. You are watching my YouTube video. You are learning English. I am teaching English. So some of the practice that we have in your packets is present simple versus present continuous, and at the end of this I'll go over a little bit of that, but I do want to talk about spelling with the ing because there are some strange spelling words. Okay, so in this box down at the bottom of your Wednesday notes, okay, this is talking about spelling, like how to write the words. Okay, so for most verbs, cook, eat, speak, you're just gonna add the ing, eating, speaking. Okay, for verbs that end in y, buy, enjoy, try. Okay, the final letter y is in the same place. So, but when you say the word, so buy, you almost do like a double y sound. So buying. So when you're writing it, you just write it like this, but when you say it, buying, buying. So enjoying. Okay, so you're going to say the Y 2 times. You hear the yeah. Okay, so buying, trying, enjoying. So you write it with just one Y, but you're saying it with like a double Y. Okay? Going and doing, you just add the ing. Okay? If the verb ends in an E, drive, share, write, then you take off the E and you add the ing. So driving, sharing, writing. So let's see, what's another verb that ends in an E? So many. Y'all, why can't I think of a verb that ends in an E? My goodness. Sorry. Let me look. I'm gonna get. Oh, here we go. Close. Okay. So look at close. Okay. Close. C-L-O-S-E. It ends in an E. So when we make it ing, we're gonna take off the E and then add the ing. So it becomes closing. Okay? So if the verb ends in an E, you need to take off the E and then add ing. Alright, so that's a big one. These lay and lie, I don't want to talk about this today because it's a little complicated. But what you do need to know is if the verb ends in IE, lie, die, okay, you change the I to a Y, and then you add ing. So, dying, okay, lying, mintiendo, mentir, mintiendo, okay, so lying and dying. All right, so then our favorite one is this, okay. If the final of the verb is a consonant, vowel, consonant, then you're going to double the last letter. Okay, so here's what that means. Our vowels, okay, vowels, in Spanish it would be vocales. That's A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and sometimes Y. We'll put Y in parentheses. All right. So those are vowels. All of the other letters, B, C, D, F, G, H, all of the other letters are what we call consonants. 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 Okay, consonantes. Okay, those are all the other letters. So if at the end of the verb, like let's do skip. At the end of the verb, if there's a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, then you're going to double the final consonant when you do the ing. Skipping. Okay? Put. P, U, T. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? So then we double the T and then add the ing. Swimming. S, W, I, M. Okay? So consonant, I is a vowel, M is a consonant. So you double the M, the last consonant, and then you add the ing. Okay? So that's kind of a tricky one. So like for example, let's see. This activity, the monster spelling test thing that's in your packet today, it's good. It's practicing the spelling. So, like for example, let's look here. Begin, right? Begin. B-E-G-I-N. So G is, you can't see. G is a consonant. I is a vowel. N is a consonant, right? So we need to double the N and then add ing. Okay? Hop. C. Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. So we have a CVC, so we need to double the P. So it's going to be hopping. Okay? Now look at this one. So this was hop, like jump. It's like a little jump. Hope. Now we have an E on the end. So this one, we just take the E off and add the ing. Okay? So that's a good practice for you. All right, and now we're going to go real quickly over simple present or present continuous. Okay, so really fast, I just want to go through some examples. All right, so look at this sentence up here. Cliff is delivering mail to the houses. Is this simple present or present continuous? So we have the to be verb, and then we have deliver, and then the ing. So this is actually present continuous. All right, so it's B. Let's look at the next one. Okay, Cliff does not like dogs who bite him. So is that present continuous or simple present? It is. Does not like is simple present. It doesn't have the ing. There's also no to be verb. So this is simple present. Okay? All right. So, in some of your packet, you're going to be looking at the difference between present continuous and present simple. All right? So, look over there. Kate blank the flowers right now. So if she's doing it right now, then we need to use present continuous. All right, so we're going to do the ing. So here's our options, A, B, or C. This one doesn't have the to be verb, so it's not B. So then we're saying, is it is planting or are planting? Kate is planting. A. Kate is planting the flowers right now. All right, she usually. So usually, this is a signal word that we use. This is a signal word that we're going to use for present simple, because usually is a routine. It's something that she does often, not necessarily right this moment. So we need to use present simple. So what would our answer be? She usually comes. All right. So we'll do. I will plan on doing this activity tomorrow, at our Zoom at 10 a.m. And good luck. I'll send you the answers for the packet, and if you have questions or you're like, I do not understand this, that's okay. Let me know, and we can do more practice on it. All right. All right. Y'all have a good weekend. No class on Monday. I will see you on Wednesday. Next week, we're going to have a short week. I might do something fun on Tuesday, but I don't know yet. I'm still thinking, all right? I am thinking about it. Okay, see ya.